Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Kraken Cave, full guide. Find the coastal map marker and sail to the western reef, then prepare gear and allies before attempting the cave. I will walk you through each step, from approach to activation, keeping things simple and practical. Follow along at your own pace and pause if you need time to gather supplies or coordinate with teammates. Start by pinpointing the western reef archway during low tide and mark it on your map. Move quietly to avoid drawing hostile attention, and use a compass bearing from the lighthouse if visibility is poor. Check tidal patterns and approach when waves are calm to reduce risk. This method keeps things efficient and repeatable, so you can reliably find the entrance before attempting the unlock sequence with your team and gear ready. Follow the activation sequence exactly. Light braziers in order, signal your team, then strike the altar with a harpoon while someone rings the bell. Maintain spacing and communicate clearly to avoid accidental hits or stray tentacle aggro. If a tentacle emerges, keep moving and target its base to stagger it. These steps reduce chaos and make the unlock predictable, so your team can focus on timing and damage control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.